Dear students, welcome to my channel. This channel is only for you. Today I am going to discuss exercise 2.3 of polynomials. Here question number 1. Find remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1, x minus 1 by 2, x plus pi, 5 plus 2x. So one theorem is in your book, remainder theorem. What is remainder theorem? If px be a polynomial of any degree and if you divide by x minus a, px divide by x minus a and then the remainder is pa. Then the remainder is pa. Remember this one? So here number 1 x plus 1. That means here x plus 1. So we have to put in place of a equal to minus 1. Solution number 1. Here x plus 1. So first we have to write let this one px. Let px x cube 3x square plus 3x plus 1 and x plus 1 equal to 0. This one equal to 0. Then you will get the x value of x equal to minus 1. Therefore, p of minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 cube means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So you will get minus 1. Minus 1 square, that means plus 1. 3 into plus 1, that means you will get 3. Plus 3 into minus 1, minus 3 plus 1. Cancel 3, 3, 1, 1 cancel, you will get 0. Therefore, the remainder is 0. Remainder equal to 0. This is the remainder. Next, number 2, let px equal to this. I have already written. And x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. So, you will get x equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, p of 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. So, 1 by 2 cube means 1 by 8. 1 cube means 1, 2 cube means 8 plus 3 into 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. Now take LCM. LCM of 8, 4 and 2. So you will get 8. Divide 8 by 8 equal to 1. 1 into 1 equal to 1 plus. Divide 8 by 4. 2 times. 2 3s are 6 plus. Divide 8 by 2. You will get 4. 4 3s are 12 plus. Here nothing, that means 1. So divide 8 by 1. You will get 8. 8 1s are 8. Now add this one. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 12, you will get 27. 27 by 8. This is the remainder. Therefore, remainder equal to 27 by 8. Therefore, remainder 27 by 8. Next, number 3. Let px equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 and here x equal to 0. So, you can write, therefore, p equal to 0, 0 cube, 3 into 0 square, 3 into 0 plus 1. 0 cube means 0, 3 into 0 square means 0, plus 3 into 0 means 0 plus 1. So, you will get simply 1. Therefore, remainder, by remainder theorem, remainder equal to 1. This is the remainder. Next, number 4, let px equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 and x plus pi equal to 0. So, you can write x equal to minus pi. So, put the value of x, therefore, p of minus pi, you will get minus pi cube, 3 into minus pi square plus 3 into minus pi plus 1. So, minus pi cube means minus pi cube plus, here minus pi square, that means you will get plus pi square. So, you will get 3 pi square plus minus 3 pi plus 1. This is the remainder. Therefore, remainder you'll get minus pi cube. 3 into pi square, 3 pi plus 1. We'll get the remainder. Number 5, let px equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 and 5 plus 2x equal to 0. Or you will get 2x equal to minus 5 or x equal to minus 5 by 2. Now put the values. Therefore, p of minus 5 by 2, you will get minus 5 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 whole square, 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. So you will get here minus to the power cube. That means you will get minus 5 cube means 1 to 5, 2 cube 8. Here minus square, so you will get plus 3 into 25, 5 5 is 25. 2 square means 4 minus 3 5 is 15 by 2 plus 1. Now take the LCM, 8. You will get minus 1 to 5. Here divide 8 by 4 2 times you will get plus 3 into 25. 3 into 25 you will get 75 and again 2. So you will get 150 minus divide 8 by 2 4 times. 4 15s are 60 plus here 1 divide 8. So 8 times 8 ones are 8. Now you will get minus 185 plus 158 by 8. So now subtract this one. 15 minus 8 7. Here 7 minus 5 2 and minus 27 by 8. This is the remainder. So remainder is minus 27 by 8. Remainder minus 27 by 8. Number 2, find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Same as question number 1. Solution, let px x cube minus ax square 6x minus a. Therefore, you have to put the value of x and write n x minus a equal to 0 or x equal to a. Therefore, pa cube a into a square 6 into a minus a. A cube a into a square means a cube you will get 6a minus a. Here this one cancel. So you will get 6a minus a equal to 5a. So therefore remainder equal to 5a. This is an important question. Question number 3. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x square. Factor means multiplication of 2 or more terms. Say 12. You can write 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors. So here 3x cube plus 7x square. If you take common x square, you will get 3x plus 7. 3x plus 7. But here 7 plus 3x. 7 plus 3x. So 3x plus 7 or 7 plus 3x same. So therefore 7 plus 3x is a factor. Factor of this 3x cube plus 7x square. This is the factor. X square is also a factor of this. Remember this one. X is also a factor of this. Here factors are x square and 3x plus 7. These are the factors. I think all of you understood my class. Next class I will discuss the later part. If you understood my class, don't forget to like, comment and share to others. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next class. Thank you for watching.